Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again with another tutorial on a drop fade on straight hair today. So look, today I'm gonna start off by wetting the hair and combing the hair. Get the hair damp, basically preparing it to go shear over comb. So I'm just forming the hair the direction it naturally goes, combing it through, making sure everything is consistent and flowing. So I'm gonna start off by trying to check the length that he wants. So I went off about 1 inch just to start off. Then I'm just matching all the other lengths to make sure everything is a consistent length and everything's the same. I'm just basically doing it piece by piece, making sure I have one complete length, in other words. So see how I'm pulling the hair, use my comb, see how I place my comb with my thumb, use my shears, my right hand, just naturally flowing with everything, making sure I'm using proper technique. So as you see, I went all the way around the head. I'm just doing piece by piece. And then I'm combing it that one direction where his hair flows. So same thing right here. As you see the process, how I comb the hair, I pull the hair with the comb, place the comb in between my thumb, and then I'm shearing it with my right hand, my dominant hand. Just like that. Just to trim it down some. He said he still wants length. He just kind of want to take some off. So we're trying to see his desired length piece by piece. I had one side laid down and the other side sticking up so he could see the difference. So he was cool with it. Now I'm blow drying it with my Dyson blow dryer. Making sure his hair is dry now because I'm about to start fading. And y'all stay tuned, man. I'm doing it piece by piece. So as you see, I'm fully drying his hair, making sure everything is consistent and flowing. I had to adjust the neck strip. You know, I have bad OCD, so I had to make sure everything was smooth. I'm about to start off with the lever fully closed, and I'm going to drop the fade. Usually I go all the way around, but he literally wants a drop fade. So I'm shaping that first guideline into a drop fade, making sure everything's consistent and flowing. Piece by piece. Just like that. So I'm making sure I'm gonna go over with the trimmers as well to get that bald look that he wants. Staying consistent, just staying below that line actually. And I'm gonna make sure that I go as close as I can, but not setting another guideline. So now we're about to work on his beard. Knock down his mustache some. Just staying consistent with everything. He wants to go jawline, so I just want to confirm with him real quick, but we're going to keep it low. Not recommending him to go ahead and keep it low because he's trying to start a full beard. So we're gonna keep it low, make sure we don't knock nothing off, kind of just line him up where the new growth is as well, so it can start growing in. See, I'm keeping his beard as wide as possible. Just letting everything flow. I had to show him something on my phone real quick. I forgot what we were talking about, but I was just showing him something really quick, and then we're gonna go right back into the haircut. So I'm just getting all the excess hair off of him, make sure I'm lining him up, everything's nice and smooth. Piece by piece, I'm lining him up as wide as possible because he want to have a full beard once again. So I'm basically setting him up so he can start growing in like that. Now I'm lining up his mustache, keeping it naturally where it's at. And then I'm gonna go back to his fade. So now I'm going lever fully open, flicking out. Just like that, going about an inch up. So make sure I set that guideline smooth and consistent. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go midway, and then I'm gonna slowly close the lever to get that smooth transition. So now I'm going midway. I'm just making sure everything's flowing consistently so the blend can be very smooth. Just have to trust the process. Now I'm going my detachables with my 1.5, flicking out. Just staying consistent, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Now I'm going with my 2 guard, setting another guideline above that. Just blending that transition right there. And then you will slowly see everything just going together. Now that's my 1A in between to blend, which would be basically a lever, a open 1 basically. Now I'm blending his transition on his beard. And then I'm gonna do detail work. And shear work as well. Well, there we go right there. See how we just seen that spot? I was already up on it. Start blending everything, very smooth transition. Just basically make sure everything's consistent with it. To have that blend. Just taking my time, just like that. Very smooth. Now I'm removing any extra hair. Then I'm gonna go right back into it. Making sure I have a very smooth transition. Going back over with my shear work to make sure I blended everything consistently. Now I'm just lining them up real quick. Going back over everything. So now I'm just going over the beard. I just combed it out, make sure everything was nice. Very smooth transition. Now I'm just using a razor. Just checking for any extra work I need to do, detail work, all those good things, so I could be fully done with the final project. Yes, this was a project, piece by piece. We had to trim his hair, we had to blend his hair, we had to shear his hair, and moisturize it, as you see, which is pretty dope. We got the job done. He really enjoyed it. Everything is smooth. Another satisfied client. See? Now I'm just applying oil sheen to his beard to keep it moisturized, all those good things. He's checking out my product, my beard and skin oil. You know, grabbing one of those. Just like that. Getting any extra hair off of him now. Very smooth transition, as you can see. Let's go, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj. Let's get it.